Hello everyone, welcome to my Python short video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Python built-in function print. This function should be the first thing you learn when you're trying to start learning Python. My name is Chenrui, and this is my Python short video tutorial. Let's get started. To show you how to use it in Python shell, the first thing I need to do is to open my terminal and go into my Python shell. Depends on different operating system, the way of opening a terminal will be different. Since I'm using Ubuntu Linux, so I'm gonna press Ctrl+Alt+T to open a terminal on my computer. You might find different way to do that on your computer. Once I have my terminal open, I can type in Python, then hit enter, then go into my Python shell, and I'm going to show you how to use print function at here. So the first thing that I want to talk about is what is the behavior of this built-in function. Basically, the print function, we're going to display the value that you want to display on your screen. So for example, if you want to display a word on your screen, then you can use Python built-in function like this way. You just type in print following a bracket, then type in the string, which is word. Then as you can see, this string is wrapped with double quotation mark. That's how you define a string in Python. And then once you hit enter, you're going to display whatever this value is on the screen. So here, as you can see, it just displays the text word. You can use print function to display integer as well. For example, if you print 10 like this, then once you hit enter, you're going to print the value 10 on the screen. So that's how you use print function to print one value at a time. But you are also able to print multiple value using print function as well in Python. So for example, if I trying to print two values, value 1 and then value 2, these two strings will be printed at the same time on the same line, but they were going to be separated by a space. So this way we can print two values at the same time. So if I hit enter, you're going to print value 1 and then value 2. And between them, there is a space there. Sorry, there is one space there. We're going to separate this two value. It's not only able to print multiple string value, it can also print out multiple integer as well. For example, if I have print 10 and then print 20 at the same time like this, then we're going to display two integer on the same line and then separate it with one space there. So that's how you print multiple values at the same time. So what you need to do, you just type in the value in the brackets and then separate them by a comma. Actually, you can print as much as value that you want to print out in there. You just need to separate them by a comma in the parentheses in the print function. So that's two ways of using Python print function. Also, it's able to print string value and integer value, so it can print a different type of value at the same time. For example, if I try to print out a string, which is value, and then another integer 10, then it can do that as well. So if I hit enter, we're going to print value and then separate by a space, then the integer 10. So this print function is very basic. You are going to use a lot while you learn Python and while you use Python developing anything. So this will be very useful built-in function. So that will be the first thing you learn in Python. And that's how you use print in Python. So I think that's all for today's tutorial, and I hope I'm going to see you in next one.